Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to access YouTube audio library on your phone. So I'm doing this on Android. So now guys, what do we need to do first? You just click on the very bottom right where it says you, okay? And then click on the top right now on the gear icon that takes us to the settings. Click on here, and in here just scroll a bit down and click on help. So it's not immediately seen in here, so you just need to use the search bar right over here and just type in audio. Okay, and we are looking for YouTube audio library. So click on this, and now click on the first tab, use music and sound effects. And in here, as you can see, you can also access the YouTube audio library directly and we have a link, and just press on this link. Okay, and as you can see, we are taken to our YouTube library. So you can just do this from the browser, or you can just do this from your pretty much channel studio, right? So for that, you just need to open that link up with a certain application. So this is your audio library right over here. You just click on the last tab, just like this on your phone, and this is your audio library, guys. So you can use it to use these free tracks and put them in your videos as you wish. These are copyright free and you can use them as you wish. Enjoy guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.